Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my Bath & Body Works candle collection. So I have, I think, 26 currently, which to me seems like a lot, but then really a lot of people have so many more than that. So I do love them. I think they are, for the price, some of the best candles that you can find, and I do mean like when you can get them on a deal. I don't think most people go in and actually spend the $22, $24, $26 on the candles. I usually spend about 12 or 10, and you can usually get a coupon on it as well. One day a year, of course, they do the $8 candles. I missed that this year, and I think they were like $8.75 or $8.95 or something like that. They keep going up a little bit, but I would say generally I'm paying about $10 to $12 a candle. I have a lot of Christmas ones from the previous year, some from this year. I have some fall scents, and then I do have a few new ones as well. So first let's start with, I'm burning my cinnamon caramel swirl. So my backup looks like this. It is a different packaging. It's got these snowflake lid on it, and cinnamon caramel swirl says gooey caramel, grated cinnamon, vanilla bean, and maple brown sugar. I'm burning it now. It smells a little bit different in the jar. Oh my god, but it's so sweet. This is literally just as it says, cinnamon and caramel swirled together like some sort of delicious baked treat. That's exactly what it smells like, and it's so good. I do have two of the 'Tis the Season in different packagings as well. This one's just got your plain lid. Then we have one that has like that starburst design. 'Tis the Season to me is perfect holiday candle. It is red delicious apple, sweet cinnamon bark, and cedar wood. So it smells like apple cinnamon sitting by a tree by the fireplace, but mostly you just get that really delicious apple cinnamon scent. This is one of my absolute favorites during the holidays. That is why I have a backup. I've been burning this one, as you can see. The other one is still brand new, and I bought it during the semi-annual sale, so I got a really good deal on that. Next I have Marshmallow Fireside. I love the brushed glass on this one, the starburst design. Marshmallow Fireside is toasted marshmallows, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. That one has just a hint of like a cologne scent to it, but mostly you're smelling that like really sweet vanilla marshmallow smell and just a little bit of that like fire scent. Oh my god, I love this one. I think they did an amazing job picking the notes on this one, and cute packaging as well, and again with that little starburst design. In the semi-annual sale I got the honey cinnamon crumb cake. This is another one that smells like a baked treat. It's amazing how you can smell that bit of honey. Like, honey doesn't have a strong scent, but oh my god, it truly evokes that. And it says it is irresistible baked treat made with fresh soft cake, local honey, and a hint of cinnamon. If you don't like a really strong cinnamon scent, but you want something in that family, this is definitely a good one, because you only really smell just a tiny bit of cinnamon. If you couldn't already tell, I love food scents. I also have maple cinnamon pancakes, one of my absolute favorites. So warm. It is literally like you're making fresh pancakes. You've already poured the syrup, and then you're sprinkling a little cinnamon on top as well. The perfect French toast. Like, that's what it smells like. So very beautiful, and I love, again, the brush glass on that one. One that I might not have picked for myself, but I turned out really liking, is the New Year's Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses. This is Merry Mistletoe is the scent. It's mistletoe leaves, frozen cranberries, sparkling holiday pear, and icy peppermint. I'm not a peppermint girl. I don't love twisted peppermint. I know that's a favorite of everyone's. This one has a more like cologne type scent to me. I think that's like the sparkling pear maybe. It smells so good though. Like, I can imagine burning this in the bathroom or just like as a whole household scent, but it's not a food scent. It's just one that I wound up really liking. I got this one from my boyfriend for my birthday. I have Vanilla Snowflake. I like the little scenery on that one. And it says it is creamy vanilla, iced fir, wintry mint, and coconut flakes. You do smell a little bit of mint, but if you're like me and you don't like a lot of mint scent in your candles, then this one might be a good one for you. The vanilla really makes it for me, because it's just like a fresh vanilla. It's like a really, really refreshing vanilla scent, and somehow they did it perfectly, because Vanilla Snowflake is just a perfect name for it. I also have a couple of Halloween ones that I did not burn yet, so I bought them right before Halloween and just never got to them. So I love the little design, and the little print is actually like skull and crossbones with a glittery lid. It's called Spooky Sweets, and this one is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. This is like a perfect fall scent. I love that they did it in the green to make it a little bit different. Oh my goodness. But yeah, you can really smell, it's a light pumpkin scent. It says wickedly sweet caramel, creepy cloves, and dark sugar crystals. I love it, and it's just the right amount of sweetness. It's got a little spiciness, and this is going to be amazing when fall comes back around. I also have 2 spiced apple toddies. I think this is the last one that I have a duplicate of. No, it's not. I'm lying. But this one, I have one that is completely brand new. To me, this is like apple cinnamon kind of on steroids because it's a very strong scent. And this one says warm apple brandy, spiced plum, and cranberry cinnamon stick. So I think the biggest difference to me from like this and 'Tis the Season, this one's very spicy. So the other one, I think 'Tis the Season I like a little bit better. The overall scent is so nice and inviting for a house. I can imagine even Thanksgiving, during Christmas, it's just a really nice scent, especially if you have a big area that you really want to scent up, this would be a good one. The other packaging I'm not as crazy over, so this is the one that I have been burning, as you can see, and I will probably finish this one up before the winter season is over. Just kind of get rid of this one and save my other one, but I do like this in my main area because my living room and kitchen and everything is really open, so this is perfect. You can set it on the bar and it literally fills up the whole room. Another Halloween one has a really cute design. It's got the mummy, the little skeleton, and the cat. And again, it's got like that little motif that's like some type of skull and crossbones. And this one is vampire blood. That smells good. This one is blood red strawberry, midnight blooming jasmine, and dark Transylvanian plum. That right amount of fruity, but it doesn't feel like this light spring fruity scent, if that makes sense. It's got that little darkness to it. There's something about it. It's like a rich fruit scent. And it's got a cute little spider web lid on it. I have pumpkin French toast, which doesn't that just sound absolutely delicious? This says warm maple syrup, pumpkin spice, and caramelized brown sugar. And you can definitely smell a pumpkin scent to it. It's just got that right little amount of sweetness as well. And I love the golden leaf on this one, so cute. So I do have one more that I do have a duplicate in, and that is Campfire Donut. I love this scent so much. I picked one up and then so did my boyfriend for me for Christmas. This one does have the essential oil, so the first one looks like this. It's got that really pretty wintry scene with just a plain lid. Oh my god, this is so nice though. It is something, they just did it perfectly. Because it literally smells like you are, if you can close your eyes and imagine that you are somehow out in the woods by a campfire and then simultaneously standing inside a Krispy Kreme when they have hot donuts. I love it so much. Frosted glass on this one's so cute, and it's got this design. Absolutely love it. It's just perfect, and this lid is really pretty as well. It's got like little trees and stars. I recently got this one, which is You Had Me at Merlot. I love this scent. It's the Black Cherry Merlot. This is like, I cannot describe how much I love this scent. It just smells like black cherry, but it's perfect. It says dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous Merlot. Really, you are smelling like truly just dark cherries. That's what it smells like. It's so perfect. I love this in the hand soap, and that's where I fell in love with the scent. When I saw that they had a candle, I absolutely had to get it. One of my absolute favorites. Also in the frosted glass is this hot cocoa and cream. It has the little trees and stars on the like bronzy lid. And hot cocoa cream says made with notes of milk chocolate, steamed milk, and nutmeg essential oil. And I've had a chocolate candle before that smelled just like really fake, like a chocolate scent. Wasn't very good. This one, somehow they like captured how chocolate really smells. If you can imagine like chocolate cake batter, that reminds me of that. That smells so good. And the little squirrel on the packaging in the plaid vest is everything. I have the Homemade Goodness of Pumpkin Cupcake. So this one is pumpkin cupcake scented. It's whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, and freshly baked cupcake. This one too, like it smells like cupcake batter, and then also you can smell that little hint of pumpkin spice. Like it literally smells like a pumpkin cupcake. I don't know how they do it every single time, and the lid on this one is really cute too. It's got like one of the notes that says eat dessert first. I have champagne toast in one of the cutest packagings. It's a little glittery design, and then the lid is so pretty. It's got like a multicolored glitter. I live, oh my goodness. This one is definitely, to me, I know it's champagne toast and it's kind of like a New Year's kind of scent, like perfect for New Year's Eve, but to me, I'm smelling like summer. That's what it reminds me of. It says pink champagne, fresh nectarine, and winter black currant. That nectarine just smells so fruity and bright, and I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to use this one because I think this you could really make work for anything because it's got that wintry smell, but it also has that like fruity kind of bright scent that I would love to have in this summer and spring as well. I have a frosted cranberry, so I think this one is from last year as well. It says frosted cranberry, red delicious apple, and blonde wood. Definitely has a cranberry scent, and this is another one that I kind of associate with more of a Christmas time, but I think around Thanksgiving it would be good as well. Like, you can always do cranberry during Thanksgiving. A couple more wintry kind of scents is the Vanilla Bean Noel, so I like this little design. I have a couple others that have that. It's got the snowflake lid on it, and this one is Vanilla Bean, Marshmallow Fluff, and Vanilla Cake. And this one is actually like loose because it came when it was very, very cold here. It just smells like vanilla. I also have a Holly Berry Balsam, and this one is Winter Cranberry, Snow Kiss Citrus, and Blue Spruce. It's that Christmas tree. You have to have it when you have a Christmas tree up. Like, I didn't burn this because I loved it so much and I just wanted to save it. Like, why I didn't buy another one, I don't know. But it's perfect. It's like you have that artificial tree, but you really want that Christmas tree scent. Definitely look into Holly Berry Balsam if they have it again this coming year. Really cute, and the Christmas tree on the lid is adorable. So I think somebody commented on my last haul and said that these are Sweet Shop. I'm pretty sure that's what somebody said, but I picked up the Lavender Marshmallow from the semi-annual sale. To me, this screamed Easter, spring, perfect. And this one says lavender and marshmallow make this mouth-watering blend a special treat. And I think it is the perfect blend because it's got a hint of lavender, but what you smell is just like a really light sweet scent like a marshmallow. I also have a frosted cupcake in a really similar packaging, so it's got the little border and just the little square label with the plain lid. This one says a true sweet tooth delight, French vanilla bean, sugar, cake batter, and rich buttercream frosting. Mix it up and create an irresistible scent. And literally like the best icing that you can imagine. Yes. Finally, I have pineapple cream puff in that similar design. This one says delicate puff pastry and rich cream meet tropical pineapple in a fragrance inspired by a classic handmade confection. Yes. Pineapple cream puff. That is literally what it smells like. I will not bore you with any other explanation because it can only smell like pineapple cream puff. And I love pineapple, yes. So that is all of the Bath & Body Works candles that I have. Sorry if this was a longer video. I don't know, I guess if you have 50 or 60 Bath & Body Works candles and you do a collection, you just name them. Like, what else do you do? Because you don't have time to do much else. That is everything. Make sure to check my past couple of videos because I did put a giveaway in my Parasonic First Impression for the foundation head. I put a giveaway in my BoxyCharm unboxing, so definitely check those out. I will link them below, and I appreciate you guys stopping by to check out this video. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.